Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. In today's video, we're diving into a topic that often flies under the radar, magnesium deficiency. You might be surprised to learn that this essential mineral plays a crucial role in your overall health. We'll explore 10 strange signs that your body might be crying out for more magnesium. From unexpected fatigue to muscle cramps, these symptoms can significantly impact your well-being. So, stick around as we uncover how magnesium affects everything from your mood to your energy levels. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of your body's needs and how to address them. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. Check out our related content for more health tips. Your engagement enables us to continue providing valuable information and tips for a healthier life. I appreciate your support. Unexplained fatigue. Have you been feeling exhausted even after a whole night's sleep? This unexplained fatigue could be a sign of magnesium deficiency. Magnesium plays a crucial role in energy production by facilitating the conversion of food into usable energy. When your magnesium levels are low, your body struggles to maintain optimal energy levels, leading to chronic tiredness and fatigue. If you find yourself dragging through the day, it might be time to assess your energy levels and consider dietary changes. Incorporating magnesium-rich foods like nuts, seeds, and leafy greens can make a significant difference in how you feel. Don't underestimate the power of this essential mineral. Muscle cramps and spasms. Muscle cramps and spasms can be more than just an annoyance. They may signal a magnesium deficiency. Magnesium is essential for proper muscle function and relaxation, as it helps regulate muscle contractions. When magnesium levels are low, you might experience cramps during exercise, at night, or even while sitting still. These uncomfortable sensations can disrupt your daily life. To alleviate these symptoms, consider incorporating magnesium-rich foods into your diet, such as spinach, almonds, and black beans. By boosting your magnesium intake, you can support muscle health and reduce the frequency of those pesky cramps and spasms. Mood swings and anxiety. Did you know that your magnesium levels can significantly impact your mood and anxiety? Magnesium plays a crucial role in regulating neurotransmitters, the chemicals that transmit signals in the brain. Low magnesium levels have been linked to increased anxiety and mood swings, with several studies suggesting that magnesium deficiency can exacerbate these issues. If you often find yourself feeling anxious or experiencing emotional ups and downs, it might be time to evaluate your magnesium intake. Incorporating magnesium-rich foods like avocados, dark chocolate, and whole grains into your diet can support your mental health and help stabilize your mood. Sleep disturbances. Are you struggling to get a good night's sleep? Magnesium deficiency could be the culprit. This essential mineral plays a crucial role in promoting relaxation and enhancing sleep quality by regulating neurotransmitters that help calm the nervous system. Low magnesium levels can lead to symptoms of insomnia, such as difficulty falling asleep, frequent awakenings, and restless nights. To help combat these sleep disturbances, consider incorporating magnesium-rich foods into your bedtime routine. Foods like bananas, yogurt, and a handful of nuts can provide the magnesium your body needs to unwind and enhance your overall sleep experience. Sweet dreams may be just a snack away. Digestive issues. Are you experiencing digestive problems like constipation or bloating? Magnesium deficiency might be to blame. This essential mineral plays a crucial role in digestive health by promoting gut motility and ensuring the smooth functioning of the intestine's smooth muscle. When magnesium levels are low, you may find yourself struggling with symptoms such as irregular bowel movements and uncomfortable bloating. To improve your gut health, consider making dietary adjustments by incorporating magnesium-rich foods, such as leafy greens, whole grains, and legumes, into your meals. By increasing your magnesium intake, you can support your digestive system and alleviate common digestive issues. Your gut will thank you. High blood pressure. Did you know that magnesium plays a crucial role in regulating blood pressure? This essential mineral helps relax blood vessels, allowing for better blood flow and reducing the strain on your heart. Studies have shown that adequate magnesium levels can significantly impact hypertension, with some research indicating that increasing magnesium intake may help lower blood pressure in those with high readings. If you're concerned about your blood pressure, it's essential to monitor both your blood pressure levels and your magnesium intake. Incorporating magnesium-rich foods like nuts, seeds, and whole grains into your diet can be a simple yet effective way to support your cardiovascular health. Frequent headaches or migraines. Are you often plagued by headaches or migraines? Magnesium deficiency could be a contributing factor. Magnesium plays a vital role in preventing headaches by helping to regulate neurotransmitters and maintain proper blood flow. Low magnesium levels can trigger migraines in susceptible individuals, leading to increased frequency and intensity of these painful episodes. To help reduce the occurrence of headaches, consider incorporating magnesium-rich foods into your diet, such as leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. By boosting your magnesium intake, you may find relief from those frequent headaches and improve your overall well-being. Don't let migraines control your life. Numbness or tingling sensations. Have you experienced numbness or tingling sensations in your body? These symptoms could indicate low magnesium levels. Magnesium plays a crucial role in neurological functions, helping to regulate nerve impulses and maintain proper communication between the brain and the body. When magnesium levels are deficient, it can lead to nerve-related symptoms, including tingling, numbness, or even muscle weakness. If you're experiencing these sensations, it's essential to seek medical advice to determine the underlying cause. Addressing magnesium deficiency through dietary changes or supplements may help alleviate these symptoms and support your overall nerve health. Don't ignore what your body's trying to tell you. Irregular heartbeat. Are you aware that magnesium deficiency can have profound implications for your heart health? Magnesium is crucial for maintaining a healthy heartbeat, as it helps regulate electrical signals in the heart. Low magnesium levels can increase the risk of arrhythmias, which are irregular heartbeats that can lead to more severe cardiovascular issues. If you notice any irregularities in your heartbeat, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional promptly. Addressing magnesium deficiency through dietary changes or supplements can be vital for your heart health. Don't take any chances with your heart. Stay informed and proactive about your magnesium levels. Bone health issues. Did you know that magnesium deficiency can significantly impact your bone health? Magnesium plays a vital role in calcium absorption, which is essential for maintaining strong bones and optimal bone density. When magnesium levels are low, the body struggles to utilize calcium effectively, increasing the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. To support your bone health, it's essential to include magnesium-rich foods in your diet, such as leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. By boosting your magnesium intake, you can help strengthen your bones and reduce the risk of bone-related issues as you age. Take charge of your bone health today. Recognizing the signs of magnesium deficiency is crucial for maintaining overall health. From unexplained fatigue and muscle cramps to mood swings and digestive issues, these symptoms can significantly impact your quality of life. By understanding the importance of magnesium in your body, you can take proactive steps to improve your intake through diet or supplements. Don't overlook the power of this essential mineral. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with others who may benefit from these health tips. Together, we can promote better health and well-being for everyone.